So we are off. यार एग्ज़ाम ले रहे लोग भी. It's almost 7:30 in the morning. The lockdown has been relaxed from today. From today the shops will be open from 7 to 2. I've always been fascinated by these yellow road cleaners. बस बैठ जाओ उसमें और घूमते रहो घर पर और सारा काम हो जाए. All these bad roads are not a problem with the Himalayan. Can barely feel it as compared to my Ntorq. This is like मक्खन. ये एक नया फीचर बड़ा सही है ट्रैफिक लाइट का. The bar on which the traffic light rests also gives out the color of the traffic light. So potentially those who can't see the light, those who are way behind in the traffic can also see or get a sense of whether the traffic is ongoing or not. I don't understand the I probably never will. Urgency. Everyone has to rush. It's a small story time. Way back in April 2021, I got a challan notification on my phone. These days, these guys send the challan on SMS.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So I got a notification that I was not following the traffic rules and I had to pay a challan of 500 rupees. So I got a notification on my phone that I had gotten a challan for not carrying a license and the police had caught me, supposedly. And I was shocked because I knew that such thing has never happened. So the police generally attaches a photo of the person who has disobeyed or is basically guilty of not obeying the traffic rules or not following the directions. And I found that it was a different bike. So this person, so the number plate on his vehicle said 6335. And I was a bit surprised. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? And I was sure that I am not going to pay this challan. खुद की गलती के लिए होता तो खुद भी भर देते. दूसरों की गलती के चालान हम नहीं भर रहे. I actually took this up and tried to find out how I can report this and get it solved, basically removed from my vehicle. I found email IDs of traffic police and I wrote to them. To my surprise, they actually replied telling that this is not the correct ID to which you need to send an email. And I complied. I sent it to the correct email. And they replied saying that they will be taking this up and this thing will be resolved. After almost a month and a half, they actually did resolve it and the challan has been cancelled by the traffic police. I had not expected that actually, but I was not even going to pay it. कल ही उद्धव ठाकरे ने बोला है कि अगर मुझे ट्रैफिक दिखती है मुंबई की सड़कों पे, आई विल मेक दी लॉकडाउन मोर स्ट्रिंजेंट. बट लोगों को फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता. पीपल आर लाइक कर लो जो करना है. I can already feel that the number of people on the roads has increased since yesterday. I mean, not exactly yesterday, but yeah, since it was in the past few days. I actually didn't expect the Mumbai police to be tech savvy. अरे बाप रे, यहाँ पे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेला लग गया है. वो am I in a different country where, or a parallel universe maybe, where there is no corona problem? I love the idea of having dogs, just the idea. The responsibility is too huge. Having any pet is a huge responsibility. यहाँ पे अपना ही ख्याल नहीं रख पा रहे, उनका क्या रखेंगे? रॉन्ग साइड से क्यों जा रहे हो अंकल? ट्रिप एफ चालू हो गया अभी. I don't know why. Of course, that's a new feature on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. And once your fuel goes into the reserve mode, the trip F starts automatically. The only thing this bike lacks really is that duk 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 sound. Why no helmet, sir? Why no helmet?
ना मतलब ऐसा बिल्कुल इमीडिएट नहीं सोचे हैं, बट सोचेंगे.
I wonder कितने लोग मिरर हटा के गाड़ी चलाते हैं. You don't get that concept. हम आगे देखेंगे, पीछे वालों तुम मैनेज कर लो, हम सिर्फ आगे देखेंगे. What was that? I don't know, but technically people shouldn't be stopping their vehicles in the middle of the road under a bridge, though even if it is under the bridge. The helmet वालों ने ना should really consider fixing ACs. I think I should get the tire pressures checked once. ऐसा लग रहा है कि बाइक थोड़ा सा वॉबल कर रहा है. Though I've installed a tire pressure monitoring system, I don't monitor the tire pressure monitoring system. So it's kind of there is a word for it. What is that word? It's not useful. It's counterintuitive. Counterintuitive is the word. Not monitoring the monitoring system.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.